Hey, good afternoon, and welcome back to the only trading person on the YouTube that you should be listening to. Um, so, I got some really amazing news. Falzun number 10, already 3 for 3, 10 bagger, 6 bagger, and a 3 bagger. It can be done. I place the orders, I give the orders to my assistant trader. My assistant trader places the trades. I'm trading other ideas and doing my broadcast. Next thing you know, the trades start to work. My trader is executing the trades as I've taught them. And if I had two more assistants today would be probably one of the better days of my life. We stayed pretty damn straightforward today. Came in looking at the banks. We caught the bounce on the banks. We caught the bounce in the market. We even shorted UVXY for that little blip down. Then we got long UVXY and absolutely annihilated it. Let me just tell you what's happening right now in the market. UVXY is having in the midst of a 2-day rally. The only time UVXY goes up 2 days in a row in the way that it has gone up is when there's an imminent absolute collapse of the market. And it could be as early as Monday. We're in the collapse right now. We are collapsing right now. We're breaking down. UVXY is validating the idea that I know this might sound ridiculous, but you might want to stay short over the weekend. Personally, I don't know if I'm going to because I don't feel the need to. I could always come in on Monday. If it's crashing already when I wake up on Monday, so be it. Sunday night, I'm going to trade the futures. But right now, UVXY has rallied from 420 to 685. We're currently at $6.20. There is zero, well, first of all, there's zero reason to ever own a stock ever again if you haven't noticed. Cryptocurrency is absolutely worthless. I really pray that they all go to zero. Like, absolutely. I just want a full blown absolute annihilation. I hope they all go out of business. I hope every index goes out of business. I hope Coinbase goes out of business. Binance goes out of business. I hope the whole thing cascades and gets the fuck out of my face so we don't have to even talk about it anymore. The way I look at this market is that the stock market is worthless. Why would you buy something with zero intrinsic value? It's a popularity contest and you lost. All right? The fat lady's singing. And I don't care if you want to wait 12 to 15 years, you want to talk about how this is the beginning of something, good. While you're waiting 12 to 15 years for your recovery and maybe another move up, I'll be doing 100%, 200%, 500% gains on a daily basis in a market that's not going anywhere. Round and round we go. If we stay in this range for the next decade, the traders will be fine. So, um, if anybody wants to see a couple of videos of me talking about the UVXY today, I'm going to post some videos up there also. If anybody actually wants to see me trade live, I do it live on my own website. I do it live on a website called Money Map Press. Everything is recorded, everything is documented, everything is out there if you'd like to. Again, call me out on my own bullshit. But this is one of those days where it's just uh, I couldn't have been more right. And in a day like today, it's another moment where you just have to say to yourself, why would you own stocks? Why would you own anything when you could trade for the win and you own for the lose? You own for the loss. So absolutely incredible. Even the trades that we didn't think were going to worked out, like GENI at $4. Who thought Gap at 10.50? Seriously, we had Comerica $58.65, banging it out at 60, 61, 62, crushing it. Had the banks had HBAN, SBNY. We had the Q's long, Q's short, obviously, Q's puts, UVXY calls, UVXY long. SI, we had the $3 puts, the 250 puts, crushed the stock on the upside in the pre-market, paid for all the puts. It's just the hits keep on coming. And what trades didn't work? Yesterday, trying to catch a bottom on SIVB, that didn't work. Trying to catch a bottom on SI, disregarding VWAP, not using the trades that work the best. We've got a trade that works every time it shows up. If you just stick to those trades, it's very difficult to lose unless you do something differently, like owning stocks, like Penson, like Credo, like Rig. Oh, Rig worked. Like AI, like owning stocks, like swing trading, like doing call spreads, like selling puts. None of that works. None of that works. We got a trade that transcends all markets. It's 12 years now, 11 years now. And every time it shows up, it works. Sometimes it's 15 minutes. Sometimes it lasts for 3 hours. Sometimes it's 5 seconds. It is what it is. You got to trade around the ideas. But when you got something that works, again, just keep doing it until it doesn't work anymore. And so far, it's been going on 11 years now. Stuff works. So, guys, if you're out there watching my video, my name's Kenny Glick. If you have any traders or if you subscribe to any YouTube channels where maybe you're disgruntled about them not helping you as much as you thought they would, send them my way. Tell them that there's a guy on the internet that's willing to bet $100,000 that no one's able to outtrade him or his crew on any time frame, daily, weekly, monthly, yearly, decadely. And I'm willing to put up my money and challenge anybody on YouTube to try to step to me and my crew. And again, the only thing we request is if you win, you can keep our money. But if we win, you shut your YouTube channel down. But before you shut your YouTube channel down, you swear your allegiance to us, kneel before us. Maybe we'll let you live. And then we want you to leave the industry forever. So I don't know if it's worth it. I know it's not worth it for the humble trader. She's doing 30 grand a month selling shitty videos about what she thinks she knows about the market. I don't know how this girl got so popular, but this is why nobody will take the challenge. But if you have anybody out there that like to take this challenge and willing to pay up to $100,000 for a prize, and all I ask is that you shut your bullshit down, because you'll have to admit you know nothing, and I'll show you how much you don't know if you come and take this challenge. So my name's Kenny Glick. Step to this, step to my boy 8Ball, step to my man Solid Jello, and we'll show you what real trading looks like. All right? Other than that, you all have a great weekend. Hope you've been following along. Hope you guys were with us last night where I went over what to expect today and why we're profiting like it right this second. All right? You know how to find me. Good luck.